Did you know that, on average, people spend a staggering 2.5 days each year searching for misplaced items in their own homes? That's over 60 hours of your life lost to hunting for keys, wallets, remote controls, and other everyday essentials. It's a number that might surprise you, but it highlights a common struggle faced by households everywhere: disorganization. Imagine what you could do with those extra hours. More time spent with family, pursuing hobbies, or simply relaxing. The good news is, reclaiming your time and bringing order to your home doesn't have to be overwhelming. With just a few clever tweaks, you can transform your living spaces and make your daily routines smoother and stress-free. Home organization is more than just a trend. It's a lifestyle shift that offers tangible benefits to your day-to-day life. An organized home means less time wasted searching for things, less stress caused by clutter, and more space to breathe, think, and enjoy. It's about creating an environment where everything has its place, and you can navigate your day with ease and confidence. Whether you live in a spacious house or a cozy apartment, the right organizational systems can make all the difference. Today, we're diving into 12 ingenious home hacks that will help you take control of your space, reduce clutter, and boost your productivity and peace of mind. We all face similar challenges when it comes to organizing our homes. Clutter seems to accumulate overnight. Papers pile up on countertops, shoes scatter by the door, and kitchen drawers become black holes for utensils and gadgets. Disorganization doesn't just make your home look messy, it can sap your focus, zap your energy, and chip away at your well-being. But with a little creativity and some simple strategies, you can conquer chaos and build a home that supports your best self. Let's get started with 12 practical, yet ingenious, home organization hacks designed to tackle the most common trouble spots in any household. Hack number 1, the command center. Designate a small area in your entryway or kitchen as a family command center. Use wall-mounted organizers, whiteboards, and labeled baskets to corral mail, keys, calendars, and to-do lists all in one place. This hack instantly reduces the frantic morning scramble and keeps everyone on the same page. Hack number 2, the one-in, one-out rule. For every new item that enters your home, whether it's a piece of clothing, a toy, or a kitchen gadget, commit to removing one similar item. This simple rule helps keep clutter at bay and ensures your storage spaces don't get overwhelmed. Hack number 3, drawer dividers for the win. Instead of tossing everything into a jumbled drawer, use adjustable dividers or small containers to create designated spaces for different items. In the kitchen, separate utensils, gadgets, and dish towels. In the bathroom, sort makeup, grooming tools, and first aid supplies. You'll find what you need in seconds, every time. Hack number 4, vertical storage solutions. When floor space is at a premium, think vertically. Install shelves above doorways, use over-the-door organizers for shoes or cleaning supplies, and hang hooks for bags, hats, or accessories. Going up, rather than out, maximizes every inch of your home. Hack number 5, the power of clear containers. Transparent storage bins are a game changer, especially for pantries, closets, and craft rooms. Being able to see what's inside at a glance prevents forgotten food, duplicate purchases, and wasted space. Label each container for even greater efficiency. Hack number 6, the basket system. Place attractive baskets in strategic spots, by the sofa for blankets, on stairs for items that need to go up or down, or inside closets for seasonal gear. Baskets keep things tidy and make cleanup a breeze, especially for kids. Hack number 7, underbed storage. Don't let that valuable real estate under your bed go to waste. Use low-profile storage bins or rolling drawers to stash out-of-season clothes, shoes, or extra linens. It's an easy way to free up closet space and keep seldom-used items out of sight but close at hand. Hack number 8, the 5-minute nightly reset. Before heading to bed, set a timer for 5 minutes and do a quick sweep of your main living areas. Pick up stray items, wipe down surfaces, and reset the room. This micro-habit keeps clutter from piling up and starts each day with a clean slate. Hack number 9, magnetic magic. Attach adhesive magnetic strips inside cabinet doors or on walls to hold metal tools, spice jars, or grooming accessories. In the kitchen, this keeps knives and scissors handy. In the bathroom, bobby pins and tweezers are always within reach. Hack number 10. The donation box. Keep a dedicated box in a closet or laundry room for items you no longer need or use. Whenever you come across something that's outgrown its purpose, drop it in the box. Once it's full, donate it. This continuous cycle makes decluttering a painless, ongoing process. Hack number 11. Pegboard possibilities. Pegboards aren't just for garages. Install one in your kitchen, office, or craft room to hang tools, supplies, or even small baskets. The customizable layout adapts to your changing needs and keeps everything visible and accessible. Hack number 12. The drop zone for daily essentials. Create a designated spot near your entryway for the things you use every day: keys, wallet, phone, and sunglasses. Use a tray, bowl, or small shelf to corral these items. With a dedicated drop zone, you'll never have to search for your essentials on your way out the door. Among these 12 hacks, one stands out for its simplicity and transformative impact. The Command Center. By consolidating schedules, mail, keys, and reminders into one organized hub, the Command Center becomes the heartbeat of your household. It cuts down on lost items, forgotten appointments, and last-minute chaos. Best of all, it doesn't require a big investment, just a bit of wall space and a commitment to keeping it updated. With this one change, you'll notice a dramatic improvement in the flow and function of your daily life. Let's quickly recap the 12 ingenious home hacks that can help you achieve a more organized life. Start with a family command center to keep everyone connected and prepared. Embrace the one-in, one-out rule to prevent clutter before it starts. Use drawer dividers to eliminate chaos in your storage spaces and maximize vertical storage to make the most of your home's footprint. Reach for clear containers to easily identify what you have and scatter baskets in key locations for effortless tidying. Don't forget about underbed storage to free up valuable closet space and make the 5-minute nightly reset a part of your routine to maintain order daily. Harness magnetic strips for clever storage, keep a donation box handy for ongoing decluttering, and install pegboards for flexible, visible organization. Finally, never lose your essentials again by creating a dedicated drop zone near your entryway. Each of these hacks is simple, affordable, and adaptable to any home, whether you're tackling a single room or your entire living space. By taking small, intentional steps, you can transform your environment, boost your productivity, and reclaim precious time for what matters most. If you found these tips helpful and want more inspiration for living your best, most organized life, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Join our community of organization enthusiasts and start your journey toward a home that truly works for you. Remember, a little ingenuity goes a long way. Happy organizing!